Hey guys, welcome to the brand new video. I'm Aditya, and in this video guys we'll be learning about loops in C++ language. So I guess in the previous video we have covered the relational and logical operators, and we even have completed about if else. So we'll go step ahead and learn about these loops. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, here I have added all the namespace. Now I have cleared even that line. Now guys, let us understand what exactly loops are. So suppose you have like 100 friends, you want to print their names. What would you do? You just can't write C out 100 times, right? That doesn't make sense. Rather, you would create all the list in an Excel sheet, spreadsheet, or create a database with all their names, and then use the database in C++ or any other programming language, access the data from the database, and then print out using a loop. So loops helps in that. So it executes a statement multiple times until it reaches limit, or until it meets the condition as false. If the condition goes false, it will also stop. So it depends on a condition, same like if else. So that's why it comes under conditional statements. So for example, there are actually a lot of kinds of loops in C++ and even in C#, Java. They're all the same. So first we have do while, then we have while loop, and then we have for loop. So for this video we'll be understanding while loop, and then we'll be even understanding for loop. Do while also, it is very simple. You can just check on the internet, and even in the future videos I'll be including that. If you understand these two, while and for loop, that is also very simple. Just reverse order just like that. You will understand after seeing this video how it works, and I'll even link a website link so that you can even check out all the text code like that, so that it would be much easier understanding, just like a textbook. So guys, first let us see while loop. So while and I'll even create a variable. So int a equals 0, I'll initialize it with 0. Now I'll set here while a equal to 0. Then it will run this code. So here I'll say cout. So now guys, I think you might have understood what this line is doing. So when it is meeting the condition as true, that while a equal to 0, then run this code. So it will just print value of a, and it will print the value of a. So now if we run this program, what do you guess? So it will actually run till infinity. So it won't even stop at all, because this condition is always true. We are not doing any changes to it. So for that I can just stop like this, and here we'll give a plus plus, and let's see what happens over here right now. So here it is printing the value of a is 0, and after that it's increasing the value by 1. So after it is increasing the value, it again comes to the statement. It checks for the condition. So then the condition is coming as false, because now the newest a value is nothing but 1. So that's how it works. When the condition is false, it is stopping the loop. So here we are adding the increment operator. If you do not add it, it will go on for multiple times. And likewise, you can even add multiple statements using the logical operator as well, like and or. So like this and or, so like that you can add like that. I think now you might have understood while loop. Now let us go and learn about the for loop. So I'll just clear the statement. We'll just use the same example. So for, and here we did not get any statement, so I'll just write like this for. So we'll just add like this 2 semicolons, and that's correct. So the first part is variable initialization. You can just leave it empty if you have already a variable. So here I'll just remove this, and here we'll set int a equals 0. So first we have created a variable, and we are setting its value to 0. Next, here we'll give the condition. So here we'll say a equal to 0, and if that condition is true and it executes all the whatever code is inside. So here I'll keep like this, and I'll even add over here cout. Now I have done this just like the while loop, same, but all the things which we do, initialization, creating the variable, and keeping the condition, is done in the same line itself, whereas in while loop it is separated into different lines. And now here also we can even add the increment operator. So I'll add like this, and now let's run this program, and it should just print the same. So now what exactly is happening? I think you can guess by right now. So first it is creating a variable called as a for only this loop instance. So if I now outside this loop instance, if I just write cout and try to print a, we'll get an error saying that the variable doesn't exist. So undeclared identifier, so it is not declared anywhere, it is not created anywhere. So it's only for the loop instance. So now I'll just clear this out. So after creating the variable, it will check for the condition, whatever is condition, is it coming true or not. So mostly the condition will be based on the same variable we created. You can even create multiple conditions as well inside over here in this whole block and separate it with semicolons, remember that. And after you separate with that, then we have a last statement inside it, which is nothing but incrementation or decrementation operator. You can change the variable. So here we are incrementing the operator. So whenever how is the process actually running? So first it is creating the value variable, then it's checking the condition, and again it is if it is coming true, then it is running this block, and after it runs the block, it is incrementing the value. So after this runs, then incrementing, and then it doesn't actually recreate the variable, rather it directly goes to the condition itself again. So now as it is incremented, its value is 1, and now again it is checking is 1 equal to 0, no. So then it is quitting the program. And these are not compulsory to add, you can even just skip like this. And now if you run this program, this should actually run same like infinite. As you can see, we do not give any increment, it is not compulsory. So guys, now I think you might have understood. I'll just stop this program so that, say, it has printed multiple lines. So like that it works. I'll just clear this off. So that's it about for loops, and even do while is also same. I'll just explain that as well. So first we'll just write do, and here we'll write cout. And now guys, I have written the do while statement. I think now you can even understand this one as well. It is also very simple. So we are saying do this statement or run this statement, this do block, while this condition is true. So now let's run this program and check it out how it works. So still here it is also printing till infinity because we did not add any kind of incrementation. So now the default value goes to 0. So even if I don't initialize with 0, it is same 0. So here what we'll do is just write a plus plus, and now run this program. So here we got some error. Oh yeah, I did not add a semicolon, so that was simple mistake. And now if you run this program, same as you can see. So it is printing the statement and incrementing the value, and then when we check the value of a, it is coming as false because it has been changed to 1. So that time it is not coming to this do statement again. So guys, now I think you might have understood how it is working, while loop, for loop, and do while loop as well. We have covered almost all the three. I thought I would not cover this do while because it is also very simple, as you can see. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, everyone, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.